First, we import the FS module, which stands for File System. This module provides us with the ability to work with the file system on our computer. Next, we require the Readline module. This module allows us to read data from a readable stream, such as our file, one line at a time. Here we create a read stream using fs create read stream and specify the file we want to read, in this case, large file txt. We also set the encoding to UTF-8 to handle strings properly. Now we construct an interface with Readline create interface to manage the reading of our file. We pass our read stream as the input. We are not using output here, but if we did, it would go to process stdout, which is the standard output stream, typically the console. We set up an event listener for the line event. This event is triggered every time the stream receives an end-of-line input, representing one line read from the file. We then call a function process line with the current line. Another event listener we set up is for the close event. This event gets triggered when the stream has finished reading the file, and well logged to the console that file processing has been completed. Lastly, let's define the process line function. Right now, it simply logs the line to the console as a placeholder. In a real-world scenario, this is where you'd implement your custom logic to process each line of the file according to your specific needs.